Let us talk about the next one. This question says that cot x is 3 by 4 and x lies in the third quadrant. We have to find the other 5 trigonometric ratios. How do you go about doing this? When it is given that cot x equals 3 by 4, one of the simpler approaches which says, let's draw a right angle triangle. Okay, if this is theta, cot theta is 3 by 4, this will be 3, this will be 4, and this hypotenuse can be easily found by the Pythagoras theorem. This will be 5, right? So cot theta is 3 by 4 and x lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, this is the third quadrant, all sine, tan, cos. So tan and cot would be positive, other 4 would be negative. We can easily write sine x. Sine by x would be negative, and you can write sine theta from that minus 4 by 5. This is what you get. Cos x would be again negative, which is minus 3 by 5. Tan x would be reciprocal of that, tan x would be 4 by 3. The other 2 can also be found, cosec x and sec x can be easily found using this approach. This is a simpler idea, but then the NCERT people want you to solve without using any diagram and all, without using any triangle and all, without using the simple concepts. So let's continue using that approach. It is given that cot x equals 3 by 4. So the first thing that you can find is tan x, which is equal to 4 by 3. This is simply the reciprocal of cot x, right? That is very simple to find. Now what next? Okay, with the help of cot x, do you have any identity which relates cot x to another trigonometric function? So we remember one trigonometric identity. What is that? That identity says that 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x. Okay, since cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x implies cosec square x can easily be found. 1 plus cot square x. Cot square x would be square of this. This is 9 by 16. What is that? This is 25 by 16. Okay, once you are through with this, we can easily say that cosec x will be plus minus 5 upon 4. The question is whether it will be plus 5 by 4 or minus 5 by 4, and the answer lies in the location of x. X lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, but cosec would be negative. So since x lies in third quadrant, we can say that cosec x will be minus 5 by 4. Okay, since cosec x is minus 5 by 4, we can easily get the value of sin x. Sin x is reciprocal of this, which is minus 4 by 5. Okay, what else? Can we find cos x and sec x as well? Yes, cos x can be found with the help of values of tan x and sin x. How do we find that? Cos x, since tan x equals sin x upon cos x would be equal to sin x over tan x. Since this equals this, which implies cos x will be equal to sin x, which is minus 4 upon 5, whole divided by tan x, which is 4 upon 3. This gives me cos x equals what? Cos x will be equal to, can you observe that the 4's in the numerator will get cancelled. This 3 will reach the top and there will be 5 in the denominator. This is minus 3 by 5. Cos x is minus 3 by 5. And after cos x, you can easily get sec x. The reciprocal of cos x is sec x, which is minus 5 by 3. Those are the values. You can verify that the values which we obtained directly are exactly same. This is not something which was asked, right? This is something which we can remember to check. Right? That's the complete solution of this question over here. Let me get aside so that you can take a look.